welcome to Hannah Crochet. In this video I want to teach you how to make this beautiful pattern for crocheting baby blanket, scarf or crochet whatever you want. The chains we crochet must be in multiple of 3. We make 1 slip knot. For this I crochet 3 by 3 chains. For training I crochet in a smaller size. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I crocheted 7. Now I have 21 chains. 2 chains. Insert your hook into the 3rd chain and make single crochet. Make single crochet in every chains and keep going until to the end of the row. I make the last single crochet. Now make 2 chains. Skip 1 stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the 2nd stitch. Yarn over, grab the yarn and pull through all. Make 1 half double crochet again in the same space. Skip 1 stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. Skip 2 half double crochet, skip 1 stitch, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch and keep going until to the end of the row. I make the last half double crochet, skip 1 stitch and make 1 half double crochet, 1 chain and turn back. make single crochet into all of the stitches. I make the last single crochet. Don't miss this stitch and make single crochet here. Make 2 chains, turn back, skip 1 stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the second stitch. Skip 1 stitch and make 2 half double crochet into the next. Skip and 2 half double crochet into the next. Keep going until to the end of the row. I make the last half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 chains and turn back. Continue crocheting this model by repeating these 2 rows. To make the work easier, start the beginning of the rows with 2 chains. And in this row I make single crochet into the every stitches. I hope you like this design and crochet pattern. Please tell me your opinion in the comments and don't forget to like, and thank you for watching me. Have a nice crocheting.